The PowerFlamer 160. This thing outputs 160,000 BTUs, making it comparable to the amount of heat that is generated at restaurants. If you've never had a high-power gas burner before, you're in for a treat. Stovetop gas burners don't even come close. I added the electronic igniter option. There are two knobs. The right knob is for the igniter, and the left knob controls the gas. This thing is very well constructed. So this thing does not come with instructions, but it's pretty easy to put together. There's a base plate, the burner unit. It takes 3 screws to put the burner unit on. The legs are also very easy to put on, and of course the hose. It's all pretty intuitive and self-explanatory once you understand how everything works. You can position the burner in front of the wind guard or in 2 other positions, depending on where you want the controls to be located. The hose that is used to connect to the propane tank is very sturdy, very high quality. It's steel braided, and it's very flexible, and it just feels very well constructed. Much better than I'm gonna have for my grill. The legs attach to the bottom of the plate with 1 screw. There was on one occasion where one of the screws was loose, and I wasn't sure if I just didn't tighten it enough in the beginning, but I usually do check on occasion to make sure that the screws are tight against the base plate. The legs do look a bit skinny, but they are sturdy. I have not had any trouble with keeping this thing in place at all when I'm cooking. All right, the moment you've been waiting for. Let's see how strong this thing can get. I use a 14-inch wok to cook, and this thing has pretty much unlocked a new level of flavor that I could never attain with indoor cooking on an indoor stove. One thing is, do keep this thing away from moisture, from the rain. That's because you don't want the rain or any moisture going into those little holes of the burner. So get a cover or keep it somewhere dry whenever you're not using it. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like this content, please subscribe. Thanks and have a great day.